Good morning, ECEAP friends. Teacher Carolyn here. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I hope you did some fun things with your family. Let's see, today I have outside my house, I have clouds. I don't have any sunshine. And I have lots of vegetables and flowers that I need to have watered. So the rain is good for them, isn't it? Yeah. All right, so is it raining out there today? Is it rainy? No, not today. How about is it sunny? No, it's not sunny. Not today. So I think it is cloudy. Starts with a C, C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. So I'm going to put cloudy on here. It's cloudy today. And is it warm outside? It is not warm outside, is it? I don't necessarily have to have a coat because it's really not that cold, but it's cold enough that I want a sweater or a sweatshirt or a jacket. So I'm going to say it's cool out there today. That starts with the letter C also. C-O-O-L, cool. So I'm going to put that on here. It is cool and cloudy today on our spring day. Okay, and I would like to talk about a letter. Who knows what letter this is? You're right. This is the letter C. C, and this is a capital C and a lowercase c. And you'll notice they're the same, except for one is big and one is little, right? That's right. I'm going to put that up here. And that is a C. And C is what my name starts with, C. So let's make a C. I'm going to hold my marker down here, and I'm going to use my pincher muscles, just like that. And I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to go up and around, just like that, a C. That's my capital C. So then I'm going to try that again, and I'm going to make a lowercase c. Yeah, just like that. C. A C can sound like Carolyn. It can also sound like the name Cindy. Cindy. I have some other words here that start with a C. What is this? A cat. Very good. Cat. So I'm going to put him right here. And cat starts with a C. C-A-T. Cat. I know some of you can write that word. You might copy that after a bit. How about this word? Cake. That's right. And I know some of my friends just had a birthday. Yes, they did. Cake. Cake starts with C-A-K-E. Cake. And how about this one? This one I might wear on my head as a crown. Crown. And it starts with a C. Remember, the very first letter is a C. R-O-W-N, crown. Very good. I have some other things here that start with a C. This is something you might be seeing in your yard right now. I know when I was little, we used to like to catch these. Sometimes they have fuzz on them. Sometimes they don't. That's right. It's a caterpillar. Caterpillar. All right. How about this? See if you know what this C word is. Are you ready? Mmm. What is that? That's a cow. That's right. Cow starts with C. All right, here, this is something you used to drink with. What is this? Cup. Cup. Very good. And I have one more here. And I know you all like these. What is this? It's a cookie. That's right. Cookie. I'll have my cookie with my snack after a bit. All right, so I want to read a story today about something that starts with a C. Cloud. Can you say that? Cloud. Cloud. And there's cloud. C-L-O-U-D. So this story is called Little Cloud, and it was written by Eric Carle. Are you ready? Little Cloud. I like to look in the clouds outside. Sometimes they change and look like different things. Have you noticed that? Sometimes I like to lay on my back in the summertime in the grass and just watch the clouds go by. Look at that cloudy sky. That's kind of what it looks like out there today. Yeah. Little Cloud by Eric Carle. It says the clouds drifted slowly across the sky, and a little cloud trailed behind. He was just following them. He was not quite as close as them. The clouds, they pushed upward and away, and the little cloud pushed down and touched the tops of the trees and the houses. The clouds moved out of the sight, and little cloud, he changed into a giant cloud. So clouds can change shapes, can't they? And sizes too. Little cloud changed into a sheep. That's right. And clouds and sheep sometimes look the same, don't they? They're both fuzzy. Little cloud changed into an airplane. Little cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little cloud changed into a shark. Little cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little cloud changed into two trees. Little cloud liked the way trees never moved and stayed in one place. Because clouds move, don't they? Little cloud changed into a rabbit. Little cloud loved to watch rabbits dash across the meadows. Then little cloud changed into a hat because little cloud changed into a clown and he needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little cloud, they called, come back. Little cloud drifted toward the other clouds. All those clouds together. Yeah. Oh, then all the clouds changed into one big cloud and it rained. That's right. The end. So do you know what a cloud is? I bet you do, don't you? Clouds are water droplets, tiny water droplets that we can't really see with our eyes, but they all gather together. And when they get to be so many of them in one place, then we can see the cloud. And when lots of clouds get together and have lots of water in them, then what happens? That's right, it rains on top of us, doesn't it? Yeah. All right, so I have a poem here. And you've guessed it. Yes, you did. It's about clouds, and it's called How Many Clouds? How many do we have here? Shall we count them? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 little clouds, don't we? We do. Are they all the same shape? No, they're different, aren't they? Yeah, just like they are in the sky sometimes. It says 5 little clouds in the sky, drifting, floating up high. One disappeared from the sky so blue when a big gust of wind came by. Now, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little clouds up in the sky, drifting way up high. One disappeared in the big blue sky when a big gust of wind came by. Now, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3 clouds. 3 little clouds drifting high in the sky. One floated away when a big gust of wind came by. Now, how many do we have? 1, 2 clouds, just 2 clouds. 2 little clouds up in the sky, drifting way up high. One went away when a big gust of wind came by. And now we have 1 little cloud, that's right, floating up high in the sky. He went away when a big gust of wind came by. And now we have no clouds in the sky. That's right. Very good. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'd like to see you try to make some C's today. This is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to take a lid, but you could take a tray or a plate. And this is something I have at home. You could use sand. You could use salt in your tray. I'm going to use this. Do you know what this is? This is shaving cream. Mama or Daddy might have some of this around the house. I'm going to shake it up. You make sure you ask first before you use this, okay? Shake it up a little bit. And then I'm going to spray some in my tray, just like this. Here it comes. It's really slow. Oh, looky there. I made a letter C. I didn't even try to do that. Okay, so I have some shaving cream here. I'm going to kind of spread it out. Okay, now then, I could, you know what? Maybe I will draw. You guess what you think it is. What shape is that? It has 4 equal sides. That's right, it's a square. Okay, now let's see. Maybe if I draw, let's try this. What does that look like? Something that flies in the sky. That's a bird, that's right. Well, let's see, what else might I see in the clouds in the sky? Maybe I would see, whoops, that's not working. Let's try that again. A smiley face, I might. That's right. Or maybe I would see a tree. You could see a tree. So why don't you try that today? Ask Mom or Dad if you could use some salt or some sand or some shaving cream in a little lid, and you can draw things in it. Yeah. And if it's not raining and you get a chance, maybe you could go outside and look at the clouds, see what you can see in the clouds. Maybe you will see an airplane, or maybe you would see a sheep. Who knows? All right, until tomorrow, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.